Episode 4: Instrumentation. The Peterbilt Model 579 EV has a unique instrument cluster that communicates important information for operating this electric vehicle. There are two primary gauges in the middle of the panel. The gauge on the right is instantly recognizable as the speedometer, and the gauge on the left, where you would traditionally see your tachometer, houses the power output gauge. When the driver presses the accelerator, the power needle moves clockwise, signifying motor torque is being applied to move the vehicle when in gear. When the driver lets off the accelerator, the power needle will move counterclockwise, signifying to the driver that regenerative braking is activated. Regenerative braking not only slows the vehicle, but also charges the main battery system. There are other unique perimeter gauges as well. The first one is the coolant temperature gauge for the motor and power electronics. Moving down, we have the auxiliary loss gauge, which shows how much energy is going to systems like heating or air conditioning. The next gauge, charge level, indicates the percentage of usable charge that is available for driving the vehicle. The next EV unique gauge shows the amount of motor torque available for acceleration. The last two gauges are the primary and secondary air pressure gauges. The ready-to-move, external plug connect, and regenerative braking system telltale indicators will be covered in other episodes. There are 5 additional EV telltale indicators that may appear during operation of this vehicle. The PTO telltale indicates that the electric PTO, or ePTO, has been enabled. The service telltale will illuminate if the truck needs to be serviced or other component damage could occur if further operation continues. When the limited performance mode telltale is illuminated, the truck will be severely derated. This means that less than 25% of system power output is allowed. And please note that this telltale might illuminate when the battery system is very low on energy. If the stop powertrain telltale illuminates, pull over immediately. Failure to stop the truck could result in injury, death, and/or permanent damage to the truck. Finally, the high voltage telltale will illuminate when there is a high voltage hazard. In this case, find a safe place to pull over, shut down the truck, and call 1-800-4-Peterbilt. Thank you for watching Episode 4, Instrumentation. To learn more about the Peterbilt Model 579 EV, please watch Episode 5, Range and Efficiency.